Hey Marvelous Beauties, welcome back to my channel, the place to be for planning, budgeting, and traveling to live a marvelously beautiful life. So this is the second video in our series, Create a Keepsake with your happy notes. And this video is going to be an all about me. So I'm creating this keepsake page for my daughter. It's going to be still in the family message journal, and it's going to be a page that has a lot of information about me that I think if there's a time when I'm not around, she can look back and have that information. I got the idea originally from just scrapbooking because I used to keep a scrapbook of her when she was a very young child, a baby from the time she was a newborn. And so I said, well, you know, wouldn't it be kind of cool if I kept a page that was just about me, and she had that to look back on. Then it was confirmed that it was definitely something I should do when I watched Heather Kell's video where she had showed an old journal that she found of her mother's, like an old planner, the kind that you would get at the bank or wherever. And in it, her mom had wrote pretty much like her day-to-day life, things that were going on when she was actually dating Heather's father before they got married. So I said that was really special, and she really loved to have that. And I thought, like, my daughter would probably love to have something like that too. So I have this small picture of me, and I'm going to cut these up and use the pictures in different places on the spread. I have my Faith sticker book, Floral Memories, Happy Memory Keeping Big sticker book. I have my Glam Girl accessory book, and I also have my memory planning sticker book. So I am going to talk through some of it, and then some of it I'm going to speed through because I don't have an actual plan, but I do have an idea based on what I'm going to be using. So yeah, just sit back, relax. Maybe go pull out some of your stuff, pull out some of your sticker books, and start to think about how you can put together one of these also. I think it's going to be a very wonderful thing to have for your loved ones to look back on, and just something special. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it inspires you to do the same thing or do something a little bit different, but let's just get into it. First thing I'm going to do is to cut these. And I'm going to put this one up at the top. And I'm going to write, Yo Mama. I think that's funny. So I'm putting this sticker right next to that, details, and in this sticker I'm just gonna write like my hair color, my eye color, my height, and I don't know, maybe my weight changes, so I don't know, favorites or something. I found birthday, so I'll put that there, and I'll write my birthday underneath that. You know, I found this one favorite playlist, and I'm gonna put that over here down in the corner, and then I'm gonna write all of my favorite songs down there to her. Now I saw this one and I like this. I wish I had more vacation days because this picture was taken in the summer, and I don't work in the summer. I love the summer, so, and my birthday is also in the summer, so I'm gonna put that one in there. But that's pretty much something she knows about her mama already. I'm gonna put this love this sticker, and I'm actually going to go in, when I go in and write, when we took a road trip with all of my first cousins, and it was crazy. It was fun. It was everything. But that was one of the very fun vacations that we took together. And I'm also gonna add another one and add in a few more vacations that she and I actually went on together. Now, because this is all about me, not necessarily about me and her, I'm adding mostly stickers about me. So if you're wondering, well, why aren't you adding stuff that's about you and her. Well, I'm adding stuff that's mostly about me because this is all about me. So I'm going in and I just found some stickers that say love this. So I'm taking those. I'm taking that one right there. And then there's just all these other stickers that I'm just gonna just throw them in. Love my mom, love my dad, love my family. I'm putting in this one. This is cute. It's set, oops. It says, I heart food. I'm gonna put in the coffee cup because I like coffee now. I didn't used to like coffee before, but I do now. I love green tea, so I'll put in the green tea. I love fresh flowers, so I'll put that one in there. Absolutely love birthdays. So I'll put that one. I'll put it in right there. My birthday's in the summer. She knows I love me a good pair of big glasses. She knows that. Also knows that her mom likes presents and gifts. Well, I mean, I guess who doesn't like presents and gifts? No more out of those. Now let's go into Glam Girl accessory. Now we get to the nitty gritty. Manicures and pedicures. You know I love me a good pair of eyelashes, perfume, makeup. So I'm gonna put the kissy lips for the, instead of putting the actual lipstick, we'll put that on. I mean, it's just jumbled up, but you know what? It's okay. I like it. I think she's gonna love it. I think that if she needs to look back on this for something, it's not gonna really matter if it's jumbled up. Love some gemstones. Ta-da! Oh, wait a minute. She know her mama loved that. Right there. That up there. Shopping. I want to put in this typewriter because I love writing. And I'm gonna put the love this up here. And then that gives me like a little space right there, a little space right there. I'll put in my birthday and I'm putting something right there. Now, down at the bottom right here, I'm going to put in, because I'm running out of a little bit of space. I guess I could make it 2 pages, but I'll add in some more after if I have to. I'm going into the faith, and I'm going to add in some stickers that these are going to be my favorite scriptures that I'm going to write in there for her. My absolute favorite biblical scriptures. I'm going to put at the bottom. And I don't mind writing it in small right there because honestly I wouldn't have any other way. So again, right here we're going to write in the vacation memories. I'll write in my favorite books. I'll write in my favorite scriptures right here. I'm going to put my birthday under here, and I'm going to put all my personal details right there. I have some space here, so I'm going to put a sticker there. Okay, Marvelous Beauty, so here's the completed spread that I made for her, and this again is going to be in the Keepsake journal. So I went ahead and I added in my favorite scriptures, my favorite books. I won't read that out to you. You can see it there. I added in 2 memories of trips that we've taken together. Some of my favorite songs. Over here on the right hand side, you have all of my things that I love. And then I have along the side here, if you can see, some of the clear quote stickers from the faith. And these are like subliminal messages that I'm hoping she reads them and she keeps these things in mind. Be joyful, show gratitude every day, be a light to the world. You are enough, pray without ceasing. At the top there in the details, I just put some fun facts. I think I spelled tattoos wrong in these 2 T's. My birthday. Here's a snapshot of my life and what I love. Please keep this. And then on the back, I will just write a very nice letter to her. So I hope you like this. I hope you got some inspiration, and maybe you might choose to do something like this in one of your planners or one of your happy notes for your loved ones. Again, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this series of creating a keepsake. And as always, please remember, you are important.